Don't worry, honey. You're gonna nail that virtual sales presentation tomorrow. All you need is a good night's sleep.
I think you're right. Let's go to bed.
Yeah. Read my emails. Please read my email.
Hey Liz, for today's presentation, it's critical that we both have our cameras on because you need to be able to see me clearly and get to know me, and I need to be able to do the same with you, since what we're talking about is so important.
No, I'm good. I just woke up. I'm still in my pajamas. Just keep going.
Okay.
Oh, no.
Hey Liz, I am really excited to be talking about your company's unique challenges and how we can help them.
I'm excited too. Just one question. Is your neck going to be giving the presentation the entire time, or?
What?
Oh my goodness. Oh,
Alex, are you okay?
I will be. After I sign up for that virtual selling summit on May 4th. I gotta do that right now.